Hi, everyone, and welcome to episode 2 of our English Learning Podcast. I'm Alex, and today we are going to learn some useful travel vocabulary and talk about the simple present tense. Are you ready? Let's get started. When we travel, there are some important words we should know. Let's go over a few of them. Airport. This is where you go to catch a plane. For example, I go to the airport to catch my flight. Hotel. A place to stay when you are traveling. For example, I book a hotel when I visit a new city. Luggage, the bags you take with you when you travel. For example, I pack my luggage before my trip. Passport, an important document you need to travel to another country. For example, don't forget your passport when you travel abroad. Ticket, this is what you need to enter a plane, train, or bus. For example, I buy a ticket for my flight to London. Now let's try using these words in sentences. I arrive at the airport early. I stay at a hotel in the city. I carry my luggage to the car. I show my passport at the airport. I buy a train ticket to Paris. Great job. Now let's move on to the simple present tense. The simple present is used to talk about things we do regularly or facts that are always true. For example, I go to the airport every week. He works in a hotel. In English, we usually add ns to the verb when we talk about he, she, or it. Let's look at some examples. She lives in New York. He works at the airport. It rains a lot in London. But with I, you, we, and they, we don't add s, I travel a lot. They visit the hotel every summer. Practice. Let's practice. I will say a sentence and you repeat after me. I go to the airport every Monday. She travels to France every year. They stay at a hotel near the beach. Fantastic. Today we learned some important travel vocabulary like airport, hotel, and luggage. We also talked about the simple present tense, which we use to talk about regular actions or facts. Make sure to practice these words and sentences. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Thank you for listening to episode 2. See you in the next episode. Happy learning.